Hey, Richard here. Well, it's just, I don't know, 6:20 or something a.m. It's a relentless job trying to keep the seagulls away from the squirrels and sparrows' bread. They keep trying to sneak over there, and I'm forever trying to defend it. They're fucking bold. Shut up! Fuck. They keep trying to sneak over there and try to get the sparrows and squirrels' bread. So far the coast is clear. But they land over there, and I know they see the bread from where they are. There's one now. Where is he? He's probably gonna try and sneak over there. They're relentless at that. I know they can see the bread from where they are. There we go. Fuck. Anyway, they saw me get up, and they run away. Or fly away. Shut up, you dumb bird. You guys aren't getting that bread. Until I leave, because I do get tired of defending it. Fuck. But they keep trying. Fuck. Oh, a good flyer. Finally. I don't catch them in flight too often. They do them in the distance too far away. Anyway. Hey, bird. Let's get a close-up on you. Hang on. Ah, there you are. Hey, bird. Yeah, I see ya. Kind of hard to miss. You're not small, you know. Oh, missed that one. Anyway, it's going to be the end of my video soon. It's only got, oh, yeah, seconds left. 4, 3, 2.